Crescent Clinic provides both free medical and dental services. For our medical services, we have primary care physicians that volunteer for us, in which they do physician consultations, examinations, provide prescriptions, lab orders, referrals if needed, and we also do education, especially for diabetic or hypertensive cases. For our eye clinic, we have both ophthalmology and optometry services, and for our dental clinic, we do free cleanings, extractions, and fillings, and we also refer to other clinics, low-cost clinics if needed.
At the moment, we're currently operating under telemedicine, so we are able to do video calls with our patients and see them face-to-face for the time being. And then we also have the dial-in capabilities for any patients who don't currently have internet available, so we can at least speak with them and get them the care that they need during this time. So when I first started volunteering with Crescent Clinic, I used to help translate for our Spanish-speaking patients. The way they saw it, it was someone was trying to communicate with them, and that was something they hadn't had before. So just having, one person just tell them in super basic Spanish, what was going on was a lot for them. And it meant a lot to me to be able to help them be heard, because I know that anytime they saw my face and they realized I could speak Spanish, their smile, it just lit up the room, because they were so happy to have someone to understand them and to really talk to them and explain what was going on.
We are currently in the works of preparing OBGYN and pulmonology services, so we are currently fundraising for additional equipment needed to provide these fundamental services to our patients. To address the need of our patients who may face food insecurity, we also do distribute pair food bags to provide our patients with nutritious and healthy foods. To me, Crescent Clinic represents hope for our patients. Hope for them to be able to access the quality healthcare services that they deserve. These individuals often find themselves marginalized in today's healthcare system, and we work directly to address the needs of these deserving individuals to improve their health.
Crescent Clinic has been a place where, after volunteering here for 4 years and almost working here as 1 year as a clinic manager, it's honestly been a privilege to be able to provide free healthcare services to so many patients and so many of the underserved community and population. I think that I find just great joy and happiness in being able to provide and lift up the burden of healthcare for these families, women and children, to be able to assure them that they can see a doctor, even though, especially with all the costs in today's healthcare system, that they don't need to worry about when the next time they'll be able to see a doctor again. And I think that that's a wonderful thing for them to be able to not have that burden, not have that worry, and be able to focus what resources they currently have to take care of themselves, of their families, and of all their needs that they have in their lives.